Welcome back to Satisfactory, the episode where we finally unlock tier 5. It's not yet done. I will show you later. But I want to look real quick in the map because I can unlock now object scanner improvements. I want to see what that does. Oh, hostile organism detection. Okay, I assume that is what that unlocks. So let me get that stuff real quick. And let's unlock it. It's also 0 seconds. So this means probably hasn't changed. Hasn't adjusted yet. And Ada doesn't say anything. So only thing left in alien organism is this inhaler. Which I can't do because I didn't find the mushrooms yet. So, also there were 1 or 2 updates in between here. What has mainly changed is a few new models here. For example, the pole looks different, and I think a few other things have changed as well. But most importantly, the sink. The values of the sink has changed, and I already looked, and I assumed that the AI limiters were pretty bad now, because I assumed I find them quite OP already, but I think they are even about the same, even if not better. Let's look again here. It's at 70%, 80%. 90%, and it should come in any moment. So we are at 24,320, and it comes in 23,400. So it's about 900. It seems quite decently still. So we could print 4 coupons here already. Yeah, so I think that's still good enough to let it keep going. And the last versatile framework is done. So this means I have the last 50. I got the other ones already. Everything is done. Wow, it's finally there. It took quite some time. The last 50. Seal this. And send. So cool. So now I'm very excited what we unlock now, because oil and stuff will unlock, but a lot of things have changed. By the way, this storage box looks different as well. I just realized that. So, tier 5, oil processing. Oil extractor, 120 meters cubed oil per minute. Default pressure 10, allowing a 10-meter vertical rise of fluids. Yes, refinery. Refines fluids or solids into more usable parts. Plastic, rubber, fuel. So that's a liquid. Petroleum coke. Circuit board. And we can search for crude oil. So we need motors for that. The rest we have. Industrial manufacturing. Manufacturer. Yep. Truck. Computer modular engine, that's the project part 4, okay. Adaptive control unit, that's project part 5. Alternative fluid transport. Oh yeah, that's cool. So we can make fluids transport on belts basically by packaging it. That needs heavy modular frames, which we... how do we unlock that? Did we already unlock that? Okay, let's look here first. Scanner update criteria mode? Do I not already have that? Fuel generator? Jetpack? Okay, that's cool. Monorail. Yeah, I haven't played with this yet. Heavy modular frames. Did I already unlock that? I can't remember that being the case. Oh yeah, we did already unlock that in advanced steel production. My bad. I thought we can't do that yet. So this means that I could have done... Which one was that? Any of these, was it? Oh yeah, I think it was building the Explorer. I could have already done. Yeah, that's what I was missing. Yeah, okay, I missed that. So yeah, let me think through what I want to do now. So I kind of need a notepad, something to write this down, notepad or anything to write all the stuff down that I need to do. But let's mention a few things. So I kind of want quartz processing, as you can see. As you have seen in, I think it was the last episode, I prepared the quartz here so that I can build on this platform the quartz processing. Same with sulfur, which is also back there somewhere. I want to process sulfur to get gunpowder and blow things up. That would be nice. Then, of course, we have oil now. So, we could get oil here. We found that last or 2 episodes ago. Yeah, it was 2 episodes ago, I think. The oil vein already. So, that is something we will need to do. For that, we need to produce motors, though. I mean, I could handcraft them, but I rather not, and already prepare for autocrafting them. Then I kind of want Explorer, which means we need the heavy modular frames. But for heavy modular frames, this is 4 components. So we need the manufacturer. For the manufacturer, we need oil first. So it's a lot of things that I kind of want, and I'm not sure which way to do that. But I think the first thing we should probably do is unlock oil processing. And this means autocrafting motors. Also, let me show you what is needed for tier 7. So, the 2 new things are needed. Oops. The 2 new things are needed. 100 of the adaptive control units and 500 of the modular engines. But also the versatile frameworks, which we just completed. I could have left it there and continue producing them, because we need 2,500, which is insane, because that's 50,000 steel beams. So we kind of need to automate that. Yeah, so just to let you know what is needed. So I want to produce motors. So one motor needs 2 stators and 2 rotors. So I looked at my production. I have here stator production. I have 2 fully going. So that's 10 stators per minute. That's totally fine. The problem is, rotors, I'm producing not nearly enough. I have only 1 going, and it's only doing 4 parts per minute. So what I need to do now is increase the rod and screw production, but I already have enough rods. I have going 8. Yeah, 8 times 15, so 120 rods per minute. 20 go directly into here, I looked that up, so that's 100 left, and I'm only using currently 4 times 10. That's 40 rods per minute, so I have 60 rods per minute left, so I can double the screw production and still be fine, and I think I will exactly do that. So, do I have enough room for this here, is the question. 1. 2, 3, and no, I don't. That is a problem. So do I go now the first time vertically, or how will I do that? So I don't think the railways still exist. I think they got removed. I don't see them anymore. Walls, it's not here. Attachment, it's not here. Oh, here. Okay, my bad. I need to scroll down. Here, the walkways. Okay, I found them. It's 6. I need to look if I have 2 more coupons. Okay. Okay, because yeah, that's odd. You have to scroll down. I haven't seen that. That's the on-camera effect. I was looking the whole time and did not see it. The question that I'm asking that because I was looking for a way to go to the next floor. Because what I did in between cuts is made a second floor, and now I used the stairs here, but the stairs kind of suck. You have to fall down, so you have to kind of use the fences here, but they float then mid-air, and that looks kind of stupid. Yeah, this is terrible as well. So I don't like them, but for now I will use them to go to the second floor. But let's see if I have another coupon, 2 coupons, so that I can buy the railways, and then I will use the railways to go up and down. Let's have a look. Yeah, excellent. So let's buy them. Okay, let's buy them. Walkways. Add it to the cart. Buy them. And now, what does that cost? Oh, here, walkways. Awesome. Yeah, that's the just rods and plates. So let me replace that here. Oh, what? Let me replace that. Oh, I also saw somewhere if you press Shift and Control. Oh, yeah, before clicking and then click, you can dismantle multiple things. Oh no, that's bad. Yeah, I have to get used to that. Okay. So, how do I want to do that? Kind of here, maybe? Is there a better way to anchor this? I kind of want it here, but it doesn't do that. Now it does it. It was a little bit odd, but okay. Now let's use this and fill that in again. No, I kind of want here a turn. Can I can't really go a little bit earlier because yeah, that's And then I need to get rid of this as well, I guess. And then platform here. And here a platform so that I don't fall down. Not sure about that. But it's reasonable. And what I will do... I will get rid of this and also try to use the new hypertubes to go up there. I think that's too far. I have to go a little bit far. Maybe here? I need one of the supports. But I can't add the support here. Maybe I should maybe start at the top. Let's try that out. Oh, I'm missing the beams. So let's try this again. Oh, okay. Yeah, I want to straight down. Yeah, let me look again. This is here. Oh, this is awkward. I don't like that it's directly under, but let me connect real quick. It still goes like here and then here. It's a little bit odd. Even though it's directly under it. But of course, the entrance needs to be here. Oh, now it worked. Okay, I like it. So how does this work? I just walk into it? No. Right click? Left click? Control? Why does it... How do I get in? How do I... Oh, it needs power? Okay, it needs power. So, kind of want then a power pole here. Don't like the noise that it makes. Whoa! Cool! Yeah, that's probably my favorite way. I don't think I want these. Now I can't go in here because this needs power as well. Ah, okay. So not sure how I will lead the power to the second floor, but I just put wall mount here and then here. It looks okay-ish. I need a better way. Maybe I get rid of these two. So I want to leave both, I think, still. The stairway is nice and all, because maybe I run out of power and then having this around is nice. So yeah, but I have a power here now, so I can go down and I can go up. So that's really cool. I like this. So let's build a screw protection on the second floor. I think that's what I want to do. So not sure how I want to do this best, but so we are producing 120 here. So this is a conveyor belt Mark II. So I certainly want to make this a conveyor belt Mark II. And then I think this can be a lift Mark 1, right? Yeah, I need only 40 on the second floor, so this seems fine. So now the question is, how do I make sure that this is the right height? Yeah, so let's go up. Yeah, it was not high enough. Like this. Okay, yeah. And then kind of want, so I need constructors. And I kind of want to have these at like the, no, I need a splitter, of course. And I can't really have them at the same position, but I kind of want to have that at about the same position. So this would be like here. And then constructor. Oops. That is constructor. And then this will be 4 constructors, right? 120. No, it's 3. Let me think. Double would be 160, so I think I will do that. It's 40. Yeah, 40 is 160. So did I turn off the flashlight? Yeah. So you should be able to see better. So then do this all with conveyor belts. And then this will be screws, 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 and screws. And then power. Like this. So now I don't know. So can I jump down there? Yeah, I should be. So I'm producing 160 more screws. But how do I want to divide them? I need at 100% 100 screws here. So I was thinking about this, and I think I don't have enough room here to have a second assembler for rotors here, because I need to have this like on the second, like a little bit higher, run this down, and then I need a merger here in the back, and I don't really have enough room for this because the copper production is on the other side here. So what I will do here is get rid of this assembler, of this all here. So this meets here, so this needs to go up as well, same as the rods. I think I can put the rods. Wait, I'm getting rods already up here. So this is 40. So yeah, I will upgrade this to 2 lift. And this to a Mark II belt. Right, this is a Mark II, right? Yeah, Mark II, and this is a Mark II. So I will, this is 40 here everywhere. And the 80 is going up here now. Yeah, I like this. What I can do now is get rid of the lift. I even did perfect 90 degrees here. So for those who care about that. So I can get rid of this, and I will move this up in a second. So floop. Oh, this is so awesome. So now I'm producing screws here and rods here, and like I can run a belt here. This will feed the assemblers. So I moved the foundation here, so I can run now. Wait, this needs to be 60 is going here, and this is in total 4. So 160, that's 100. Yeah, so it's I need a conveyor belt Mark II. Then conveyor lift Mark II. Probably this direction, I don't know exactly for sure. No, probably this direction. So I kind of want to... Is it on foundations? No. Walls? No. Organization? Yeah. Put crossings here so that I don't... Yeah, I don't want to fall down. So now... right button. Logistics. Conveyor lift Mark 2. And I want to go this direction. So now I need a merger. So that's 160. Well, 40 in each of these, so I can use Mark 1 belts on each of these. Then, well, it's still a Mark 1 belt here. Then it's 80. Then I need a Mark 2 belt here. Then it's 120. And then it's a Mark 3 belt. And I need another merger here. So I'm getting 100 from the bottom. And 160 from the top. That's 260. Yeah, that's still enough for a Mark 3 belt. So, it's a Mark 2 belt, but that's already 120, so yeah, I need a Mark 3 belt here, I think. And a Mark 2 belt can still go in here. So this is 260. I wish I could make signs. That's really cool. And I could write here 260 or on the belt. Would be really handy. But unfortunately, that's not possible. And then, as the stators are produced here, I kind of can go... I already did the output on this side though. So, yeah, I think I will redo that. And put the merger with the output on this side. And then conveyor belt Mark 3 here. And then the rods. That's not many, that's a Mark 1 belt. Can go all around here. No, here. So this is the other two belts that I have, and now I need protection assembler, 2 of them. I don't have reinforced iron blades. Okay, let me get some. So now assembler. So I want to do this like... Do I have enough room here to merge? Probably, yeah. This needs to probably go up earlier. So I did it, but I'm really not happy with it. Not sure how to do this otherwise. I probably should move this all a little bit in this direction, because as you can see here, I run out of room, and if I need to add a third one, this is getting a little bit tricky, so I'm not sure how to do that. It currently is not hooked up to power or anything, but yeah, it should be working. Just thinking if I should move this back a little bit, and yeah. So I hooked this all up and it's working. I don't like it much, but I might do this off camera or another time. So what I will do now is run a merger here. Yeah, probably around here. And then a container. And I should be getting rotors. Yeah. So what I will do now is move the rotors from the bottom floor up here. So I have the steel room also totally enclosed and now a roof on it. So what I will do now is run here. Oh, the stators are almost full. They come at the right time. This is right in between two. That's bad. I guess I will use this one. So I will go in a corner here and then go up. I will probably build... Yeah, I will... Let me go up first. So I'm a little bit stupid. I was thinking if I have a wall here from the bottom floor, I need to have a wall here as well on the top floor, which I don't need to. So I could have easily moved this in this direction. So if I need to expand, I have to probably move it a little bit. Anyway, here is coming the stators, here are the rotors. So where do I build the production assembler of the motors? Probably just right here. I can build floor here as well, so again, I don't need to be limited. So yeah, I think I will just build it right next to here. And then I can grab the foundations and expand this here. It's easily done. And it's done already. So then I can set this assembler to motors. Grab the conveyor belt here. And then from here to here. And then run a lift from here to here. And then As I don't know where the walls will be. If there will be a wall like here, then I can run this on the wall and then run this in here. But for now, can easily just run this here and then run this here and then hook this up to power. So, oh, I don't want to go down. I just want to look how much power I'm using. So this is still fine. So it's 10 and 10. I'm producing 8 rotors only, so I can go to 80% and produce now 4 motors per minute. And then add a storage container. That was a lot of work just for motors. So, and to finish this episode on a special note, I think I have everything for oil processing to unlock. 50 motors, 100 industrial beams, 500, and I think I can press control, right? Yeah, to put everything in. And oil processing.
Milestone reached. Oil acquisition and refining unlocked. Oil-based products can now be made. The byproducts of oil refinement can be used after further processing, as seen in the refinery. Caution. This is a reminder to minimize the chance of expiration during out-of-base activities.
Cool. So what exactly did we unlock? So oil extractor, refinery, plastic wrapper, fuel, petroleum coke, circuit board, and scanner update crude oil. Very cool. So probably next episode we will start with oil, I assume. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time. Bye. Thanks for watching this episode. Check out these links here and also in the video description. Subscribe and follow if you want to be updated for future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.